Hi everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll be changing my cabin air filter and my engine air filter.
I went to a car part shop and for about $50 I bought a Fram engine air filter and a Mann cabin air filter. To remove the cabin air filter cover, there are 6 screws. I use an 8mm socket. The corners were a little awkward to reach. It's recommended that these air filters are changed roughly every 20 to 30,000 miles or once a year. Although I'm embarrassed to admit that this is my first time ever changing mine and I've owned my car for over 2 years. The new filter just clips right into the cover. To remove the engine air filter cover, it's even easier. Just unclip the 5 metal clips. I thought they may fall off, but they are attached, so don't worry about it. Mine was really dirty. Now just clip it back on and that's it.
Thanks for watching.